Hi, a lot of you ask me if I still think that Solana will hit $80 or is $110 the bottom. I still think that $80 is the target because nothing has changed. You're just feeling FOMO because of the green candles. You feel that you will miss out on an opportunity because you didn't buy at $110. Don't let your emotions guide your decisions. Let your rules of the system you use guide your decisions. When you see green candles, just ignore them and push them to the side. That's what real traders and investors do. And before we start, please, for all of those that didn't see my last video and don't know what I'm talking about, please check the video here so that you know what I'm talking about. We will just briefly see the overall picture and we will jump to the shorter time frame and to the recent price section so that I can show you why nothing has changed. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification button so that you get these kind of updates soon as possible because price doesn't wait. So let's jump to the charts. We can now see here a broader picture of the Solana chart. We can see that at the moment of shooting this video, Solana is at $143 roughly, and nothing has changed in the broader picture. 3 to 4 days can't change anything that lasted for 4 years right now from 2020. But let's jump to the shorter time frame. Before we jump to the shorter time frame, we will place a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom of number 2 to the top of number 3 so that we can just see where number 4 should end at 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. Now we're zoomed in and we can see action that occurred 2 days ago and today. We can see a smaller trend channel and we can see a bigger trend channel. In my last video I said that I expect the price to break the top of the bigger trend channel, then find support at the bottom of the smaller trend channel, then bounce off it because of the RSI that I will just bring to the chart, because of the oversold RSI that was here, and then bounce to the top of the bigger trend channel and find resistance there. It bounced from the bottom of the smaller trend channel, so fell down, find support, went back up, broke through this channel. I wanted to see the resistance and break down, but this was a dead cat bounce. What is a dead cat bounce? Dead cat bounce occurs when a lot of pressure from buyers is at a certain price level. For example, a bank places a buy order at 110 of Solana. A country places a buy order at 110 for Solana. A billionaire places a buy order at 110 of Solana. And each of those make billions of dollars in investments at a certain price points. So the selling pressure that comes is blocked with those buyers. Why? Because those buyers present a buying shock to the market, a demand shock that pushes the price immediately upwards because the selling pressure is not high enough. But, and what I expect now to happen is for those buyers that bought at $110 that are right now at $150 in roughly 35% profit, if they invested, for example, $10 million and 35% is $3.5 million, they are happy with that. And they will sell at $150 expecting lower prices pushed by this selling pressure. So right now there's selling pressure and they are there that will push with their selling pressure. So two selling pressures are pushing the price down. That's why I think this wick to the downside will be filled. So I think that I didn't make any mistake by anticipating that the price will bounce from this level of the trend line to the upper trend line. I didn't think that it will break, but it didn't go high enough so that I can worry about anything, because everything beneath the previous high, I consider that it will hit $80 eventually. Why? Because I see this consolidation period. I will turn off the RSI right now so that it's clearer the picture. I right now see this consolidation as an ABC. Why an ABC? From the top to here is an A, then an ABC in a B, and then an ABC in a C, or a 5-way move to the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where I expect the C wave to finish around $72 or $80 roughly, because of the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement of bigger picture. Bigger picture is always the most probable picture. Smaller time frames can change, so this pump to the upside can change. Like you can see, the price is at this moment falling, and I expect it to fall further. Maybe it will go a little bit higher, because if I see this price section, the recent price section, from the high to the low, and if we place a Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low, we can see that this uptrend, these two green candles, made a retracement to 0.5 retracement level and 0.618 retracement level, a golden pocket for wave 2. 1, 2, and then 3 to the downside, and 4 and 5 to the downside. So the next wave to the downside can probably be impulsive and strong and sell-off, extreme sell-off. So be ready for it. If I'm looking what will happen if the price goes up, because I want to be ready all of the time if the price goes up, down or sideways. I'm teaching you here how to be ready for all of the outcomes. You should expect 0.786 at $172 and then drop down. Higher than that, I expect a high B wave of an A, B, C pattern to the downside. But eventually I expect Solana to hit $80. In the end, I'm bearish right now on Solana and short term, because I expect lower prices. I expect a healthy wave 4 to hit at least $80 or its ideal target of 0.382 Fibonacci level of $72. Then afterwards I will buy probably and ride the wave 5 to the upside. And one more thing for the end. In the future I will make updates on my predictions, but I will most likely always wait for the price to be hit, or if something different totally happens. If unexpected things happen, I will make an update, but if price isn't still hit and nothing has changed, I won't make an update. You just listen to my videos and you will know what I expect. My opinion doesn't change easily, so still I expect lower prices like Solana, so as Bitcoin. I expect Bitcoin to hit those 48.7k. Despite missing it with $1,000, it hit 49.7k. I expect it to hit that 48.7. As Solana, I expect to hit $80. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more videos, and click that notification bell so that you get these updates soon, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!